we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, it's time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now, this article states that Bitcoin can pump in the 4th quarter, maybe up to $85,000. And guys, we know this all depends on what the Fed does. Remember, the Fed is manipulating the stock market and cryptos. And then, guys, in Budapest, they revealed Satoshi. Now, guys, this picture doesn't look like the United States government, does it? All right, then we know this is definitely not Satoshi. And remember, Satoshi Nakamoto means Central Intelligence. And we know the NSA has been behind Bitcoin from the start. Now, looking at Ethereum, guys, we have $1.2 billion has been withdrawn from centralized exchanges in the past 24 hours. Now, guys, we know we had back yesterday. We know we have options expire. We saw what Grayscale did. They didn't do a lot. They did move up a few $100 million. But of course, with back and options expiring, that's the reason why we're having this pullback. Guys, always make sure you're looking at the indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Because it's going to let us know which way the market is going. Because we know the Fed manipulates the market through stable coins. And then plus, guys, we know the Fed is doing over $1 trillion. We see the manipulation of the yields, and that's the reason why cryptos at the price they're at now and stocks are high. The 21st and 22nd of this month when the Fed meet, guys, we know this is the biggest meeting of the year. We're going to see the type of language that comes out of Jerome's mouth to see whether the Fed wants to kick the can down the road just a little while longer before they put in one of these narratives. So therefore, everybody's distracted with the narrative while they take the money behind the door. We know how the Fed works. Now we have Cardano with over 2,300 smart contracts. And guys, we had a few altcoins pump before a pullback. We had Shiba, we had Avalanche, which we have Kyber DEX launches on Avalanche. And then also we had Sushi Swap. And just like I said, they have pulled back with the rest of the cryptos. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have the credit agency Standard & Poor's Global believes El Salvador has severely harmed its credit rating after enacting Bitcoin law. And guys, you know I've been over the credit agencies plenty of time. We've learned that the credit agencies are a big fraud after the housing crash. But guys, when it comes to Bitcoin, like I stated, this is all another narrative. So therefore, people lose trust in Bitcoin, not knowing that the fourth industrial revolution is being built. Now we have a Bitcoin sidechain based securities tokens offering approved by German regulators. So guys, we are seeing this Bitcoin ecosystem being built. And like I stated, Bitcoin is for the robots, algorithms, and drones. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have the Texas securities regulator add Celsius to its crypto lending Hegelian dialectic. And that's exactly what it should say. Because we know when it comes to these regulators, they already know crypto is going to take the place of this current market. They know about this fourth industrial revolution. We see all these United States regulators attacking crypto, but they know it is definitely the future. Everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have Bybit crypto exchange suspends services in South Korea. And lastly, guys, we have Audius, music streaming platform, gets funding. And of course, they have the big names coming out. We know the puppets are at the call for the New World Order. But we also know that blockchain algorithms are going to replace these same musicians, because algorithms now will be able to write the same music that they're performing. And robots and avatars are going to put on the show. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. Y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.